Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this recipe I'm going to be showing you how I grill my meat in the oven using just simple ingredients: soya spice, some pepper, Maggi cubes. You can use salt if you prefer, if you don't want to use Maggi cubes, and some vegetable oil. So if you're interested in seeing how I did this recipe, please sit back and watch, and I hope you like the video. So for the marinade, you will need some lamb seasoning. You can go ahead and use some beef seasoning or chicken seasoning if you have some. You will need some soya spice. So I've got 2 tablespoons of soya spice there. You will need some soya pepper, and then you need some vegetable oil. So to begin with the marinade, you can go ahead and use any meat of your choice. So for this recipe, I'm using lamb. You can use goat meat, you can use beef, whichever meat you prefer. So I always like to start with the oil just because it helps to absorb the spices. So whichever way you want to start, it doesn't really matter. But I would just recommend, if you want the spices to really soak up onto your meat, go ahead and pour the oil first and then pour the rest of the seasoning. So as you can see that I have some water on the baking tray. This is going to help to give it a smoky effect that you will normally have as well when you're grilling the meat on the barbecue rack. So what I'm doing there is I'm just using some baking paper. I recommend you use baking paper instead of foil paper because foil paper tends to stick, especially when you use oil. So that's me just pouring some oil there, and then we're going to go ahead and pour the meat. And we'll allow that to grill for about 35 minutes to 40 minutes, and it should be ready. Our grilled lamb is ready, so you can go ahead and serve that with potatoes, jollof rice, whichever you want. So that's how I actually served it. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.